What's up, you guys? It's Tuna for the win. Welcome to my video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Nvidia Shield with remote and controller. So this is the first thing you're going to see inside the Nvidia Shield box. It's gorgeous. Look at that. And then this is on the inside. Very well packaged, that's for sure. So let's go ahead and get out the remote first. It's actually got some weight to it. That is really nice. Very thin. That's what she said. Okay. So we got 3 buttons on there, and it's also got mic input. Inside we have the Nvidia Shield. Let's go ahead and get that out. My God, this thing is tiny. Look at that. It is shiny. Here's the back. We got HDMI. We got some USB inputs. This thing is tiny. I mean, the pictures just don't do it justice. Here we go with the front of the Nvidia Shield. Now to see what's in the second level. Bam! Look at that. That is nice. That is nice. So we got the power adapter. Let's go and get that out. The power pack's got the Nvidia logo on it. That's nicely engraved right there. Put that off to the side, and we have the controller, the wireless controller. So I've heard good things and bad things about the controller, but we won't know until we get our hands on it. But I mean, it feels well made. So we got that, and this would be for playing maybe Android games, retro, 8-bit, 16-bit, NES, Genesis games. I guess you have an option of plugging it in too, the controller. You have an option of, well, I guess plugging in and playing maybe, and charging. So inside this little paper, we got a quick start guide. Very simple quick start guide. Not much to it. Also inside we get this little guide. Some instructions and stuff. Pretty cool. Might need it or just Google it. Now that we got it unboxed, it's time to hook it up and see how the apps work, everything works, and to see if we can get Kodi on there and maybe some retro video games so we can use the controller for. And also it has a Google Play Store, so we can even get some Android games on there. That would be a lot better than playing on a smartphone. So let's get into it.
Alright, you guys, we are under the Nvidia Shield main menu. The quality, I'm sorry if it's not that great, but I'm recording the screen with a camera, so there you go. But here's the main menu. It did change. There is an update, so it's gonna look like this. I actually prefer the style before, but hey, what can I do? It's already updated. So I was able to install Kodi. Yes, that's right, Kodi installs, and guess what? You just go under the App Store. Go ahead and go under the Google Play App Store, and Kodi is there. And this is a great way to watch TV, pay-per-views, you know, all the good stuff. All the good stuff that you usually have to pay for. So, and then we got Nvidia Games right here. Now, I was talking about retro gaming, but I had no idea about the Geforce Now program. But I installed The Walking Dead for free. They got a whole, look at these. You got Tomb Raider, Sonic, Spec Ops The Line. We got Batman Arcane City. We got The Burrow, and we got BioShock, Lego, more Borderlands, Just Cause, Street Fighter, Batman. All these are free, you guys. All these are free. You can install them on your Shield. My God, it's amazing. Okay, and the next thing we're going to check out is Pluto TV, another thing you could get from the App Store. Nothing needs to be sideloaded on this. That's such a great feature of the Nvidia Shield. This is like live TV. If you don't want to deal with it like Kodi or anything, and you just want something simple, my Pluto TV is free, and it has live TV stations. Pretty awesome. Alright, now to see how we're going to play some retro gaming, and go ahead and go under the Google Play Store, get Retroarch, and make sure you have a couple of ROMs. You know, you might have a whole collection loaded up on a USB, and you're able to play it. And you could pretty much play anything from the NES all the way to the Dreamcast and beyond. So let's go ahead and test out Contra 3. It's beautiful. It's just like the good old times. The thing I don't really like though is the controller. It feels a little laggy. I don't know if it's just me or just, you know, I'm just so used to the Super Nintendo controller playing with Contra 3. But I don't know, something about it just doesn't feel right. But you can always get an aftermarket Super Nintendo controller and play it with your Nvidia Shield. Probably one of the most epic games for the NES, and I'm being sarcastic by that because I cannot play it right. But this is California Games, and it looks like a fun game, but I suck at it. I mean, I don't know. I just don't know what the heck to do. Keeps on hitting me in the head. My God. But this is pretty cool. I mean, I don't see any issues with it other than the controller, but it might just be me. Alright, let's play some hacky sack. Not too bad in real life. Let's see what we could do here. I'm doing pretty good. Yes, sir. Here we go. Oh my God, can we hit this bird? Can we hit this bird? My God, did we get extra points? Okay, so what else I wanted to check you? This is the Geforce Now. I have Borderlands installed. That's right. For free. Now, the only thing with playing first-person shooters, graphically intense games, is you need 5 gigahertz on your network. That's for sure. Or you can also be plugged in right into your router. That would help out. But anything below that, you will notice lag and you will get killed. But this is awesome because it is playing off of the Nvidia servers. So that's how you're playing. This game's not even installed. Even though it's installed, it's not really installed. You're literally playing it off their servers. So you don't need a graphics card or anything. It is going to be the future of gaming, which I'm not too happy about, but we don't really have much of a choice in it. We are headed that way anyways. So, and we got Claptrap right now. The introduction of Claptrap. So this is awesome, you guys, and especially this is for free. And you know, probably every month, every other month, they're probably gonna add a game, you know, a game or two to the free section. And if you don't mind paying, hey, there you go. Go ahead and pay for a game. So let's go ahead and head over to the Google Play Store. It's not as intense as a regular Android phone. It doesn't have as many apps. I wonder if there's a way to get around that. There might be, so we can actually play, you know, Android phone games on the Nvidia Shield. It's very limited, but they do have a lot of stuff. They have top free games. They got Minions, Crossy Road, Batman. They got a lot of stuff. What I can't wait to play is some actually party games. You know, play it on a big screen TV, play with all your friends. That's going to be fun. But if you already paid for some of these games, you have a Google account, then you will be able to play these games on your Nvidia Shield. So if you had to ask me if I would buy this again, I would totally say yes. I would buy it again. I might even buy another one for another bedroom. I give this Nvidia Shield 2 thumbs up. I recommend it. The possibilities are endless, and with the controller situation, you can always use an Xbox One, PlayStation 4 Bluetooth controller, and that will cover the, you know, Nvidia Shield's controller. But what did you guys think of this video? If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to comment, thumbs it up. It helps me out, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Inside we have the Nvidia, Jesus Christ.